Good day and welcome to Sandwich Dad. Today on Sandwich Dad, we're going to play Guess That Sandwich. First, we've got some marble rye. I've got some deli Montreal smoked meat. I've got some Swiss cheese. I've got some sauerkraut. Have you guessed it yet? Well, I've got one more ingredient and I have to make it real quick. So let's get some mayonnaise, some ketchup, and a little bit of prepared horseradish, some finely chopped onion, maybe a little bit of lemon juice, squeeze that in there, and finally a little bit of Worcester sauce. Stir that around, and we've made ourselves a little homemade Russian dressing. So marble rye, Montreal smoked meat, Russian dressing, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut. If you guessed we're making a Reuben sandwich today, well, you'd be more or less correct. We'll clean off the board here. Now, I am using marble rye bread. This is a Winnipeg style marble rye. And of course, I'm also using Montreal smoked meat instead of pastrami or corned beef. But both the Winnipeg rye and the Montreal smoked meat are just similar Canadian versions of. So instead of a Reuben, we're going to call this a Rouben, maybe with an extra U or something. Anyway, we got our Russian dressing on both sides of our bread. We've got Swiss cheese on both sides of bread, and we're going to make this sandwich in the hot buttered pan just to ensure prime melted. Pre-sliced Swiss can be notoriously tricky to get nice and melted. We're going to try our best here by making it in the pan. Here's our deli Montreal smoked meat. Got this cut at the Co-op. Can't remember the brand, but it's a quality product, looks to be. Now please sit back and enjoy while we pile it high. There we go, another piece. I think we might do both sides, don't you think? May hamper the melting a little bit, but I think a bit of meat on both sides is necessary and extra fun. Plus, I have a lot of it here. So, a little bit of water in the pan to ensure we get that steam going with the lid on. Make sure that cheese gets nice and melty. And once everything's kind of melted and heated through, we'll put on a little bit of our sauerkraut. Now, for me, when making a Reuben, the amount of sauerkraut you use can make or break the sandwich. Sometimes it's too much. Sometimes it overshadows everything. Sometimes it's not enough. You got to get it just right. Did we hit the golden ratio? Well, we'll find out because we've put the sandwich together. Put it on our board. Toast level looks nice. Cheese looks fairly melted. Let's pick it up, give it a bit of an inspection. Looks to be a pretty good sandwich from here. Well, you know what comes next on Sandwich Dad. We cut diagonally and reveal. There it is. Montreal smoked meat Reuben. Trying our best to make sure that Swiss cheese got nice and melted. We may have Gordon Ramsay'd it a little bit there in the middle, but hey, only one way to find out. Taste test cheese pull. Hey, that's not bad. I think we nailed it. So that's it. That's how I make a Reuben sandwich at home with a little bit of a Canadian twist. For more information about sandwiches, follow Sandwich Dad. Good day.